Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are flipping through the new release of Gnome for the holidays. I'm a sucker for like any sort of pun names, but this is another Teresa Goodridge book. That woman is on a roll, by the way, and she's really gotten into like releasing her gnome stuff, if you haven't noticed. But it's printed by Creative Haven, which is actually part of Dover Publishing. So if you ever see the two names, they go together. So let's take a look-see. Oh, this paper is, this is almost, I'm gonna have to find my other copy. Back in the day, they had great paper, and then they went cheap, and I feel like this one feels cheaper, but it could just be in my head. We'll see. All right, so let's take a look. Now, as always, I do commentary. If you don't want to hear it, just click mute and enjoy the show. Looks like it's going to go through all of the seasons, which actually I like because I have so many fall Christmas ones. I need something in between. You got the perforated edges. New Year's. Ooh, this would be a good one to do snow tutorials. Super Bowl. Oh, that's just precious. I love her gnomes. I'm glad she's been doing more of them. Wish they had better paper. Yeah, this is great. You could do this one year round. Oh, that's cuteness. I did have this on pre-order, so it just came. Oh, I like that one. It just came on release day. Now, whether I will publish this on release day, that depends on if I feel like editing. That's cute too. Gnome Run, oh my gosh. Sorry. Again, sucker for those things. Oh, I like that one. That would be fun to color the water. That'd be a good one to color too. 4th of July. Ooh, we could do some fun fireworks tutorials. Now, believe it or not, I use Inktense on this paper, even though it's complete crap, but I use it with the alcohol marker technique. Ooh, this would be fun for fall. Oh, this one is definitely going to be fun for fall. I know I'm already streaming a different book on Sunday, but ooh, Oktoberfest. Oh, I like this one. I love Teresa Goodridge's fall stuff. She knows how to just make everything fall and happy. Oh, I like this one even more. It's like the back half of this book is going to get a lot of action from me. Oh, like a little farmer's market. Oh, that one's adorable. I like that one. Cute one for Thanksgiving. Got some Christmas ones here. She does have a gnome Christmas one too, along with like a ton of other just Christmas, not specifically gnomes. The complete Sherlock gnomes. Again, I'm so easily entertained. I love seeing what she does with her art and how she colors it. But there you go. See, she even has on the back here, or I should say they do, but Home for the Holidays, one of my favorite. Garden Gnomes, Christmas Gnomes, that's the all Christmas one, and Gnome Sweet Gnome. I like this one. I mean, I wish they would go back to the old paper, but it doesn't seem they have any intention of doing that, and I'm still gonna buy them, but this is cute. Let me know if you bought it, what you thought, and until next time, take care. Bye now.